Hey everyone, welcome back to Camp Nou for today's construction highlights. Despite unstable weather, work is moving fast with visible progress across multiple zones. Slats installation is accelerating, Gol Sud and Gol Norte are highly active, and Tribuna continues to receive new prefabricated seating. Let's break down today's key construction moments, clip by clip, and see how the stadium is transforming. Starting right in front of us, we focus on the lower lateral section. The structural supports remain in place and active work continues. While workers are present and some material is positioned nearby, there are no major visible changes compared to last week. In the background, material handling continues, including the removal of large sacks, indicating preparation for upcoming phases. Moving up one level, scaffolding remains installed around most pillars. The majority of these pillars are still missing a small final concrete section at the top. These scaffolds will stay until formwork panels are installed and the pillars are fully concreted. Behind the prefabricated seating, safety nets are being removed. Since seating installation here is already completed, these nets can be relocated to other areas where prefabricated stands are still being installed. This lateral and Gol Sud area remains the most advanced part of the stadium, although deliveries are now increasingly heading toward Tribuna. The access openings to the stands are now clearly defined and visible across multiple levels. Staircase construction is progressing well, with stairs already reaching the second overhang level. Work activity remains consistent across these vertical circulation zones. In one section, workers are installing a material layer on the floor, likely insulation or technical base. The exact material isn't confirmed, so viewers with construction expertise are encouraged to share insights. Exiting the overhangs, exterior work continues along the block walls. Painting is progressing before slat installation, improving both finish quality and visual impact. The diamond area has been significantly cleared, with less stored material than before. The parking ramp shows clear advancement. Additional rebar has been installed, covering most of the previously visible protective plastic. If weather allows, concrete pouring could take place by the end of the week. Only a small section of the retaining wall still requires formwork. This is currently one of the most visible transformations of Camp Nou. Slat installation continues at a strong pace. Yesterday, only 2 slats in this section. Today, 10 slats installed up to the first overhang. Additional slats are also being installed in the false ceiling area. From the front, the painted black wall combined with the slats creates a modern and striking appearance. Workers are actively installing anchor points and supports for vertical and future diagonal slat structures. Supports for glass panels are already visible behind safety nets in several areas. A newly arrived truck may be delivering glass elements. Viewers are encouraged to share opinions. In Gol Sud, anchor points for vertical supports have increased from 1 to 3 on key beams. Gol Norte is unusually active today, with multiple platforms, cranes, and workers operating simultaneously, more than typical for this zone. In Tribuna, another truck carrying prefabricated seating has arrived. Escalators installed last week are fully in place, and work continues in areas where elevators will be installed. Although slightly calmer than previous days, steady progress continues across this section. The diamond area contains more material than yesterday, and a crane is now present. All materials appear ready, suggesting structural work could begin soon. Back at the corner area, work continues on slab edges and installation of rebar for temporary safety railings. Activity has reduced compared to previous weeks as sections are completed. A concrete pump remains on site, currently idle. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.